Let's talk about $1 million, baby. Imagine the possibilities that come with such a sum. It's not just about the money itself, but the doors it can open and the opportunities it can create. Picture yourself with that kind of financial freedom. What would you do? Where would you go? Who would you help? Not just the money, but the life it can unlock. Financial freedom, impact on the world, leaving your mark. Sounds good, right? Imagine taking your family on that dream vacation, driving that luxury car you've always wanted, or giving a presentation that could change your career. The possibilities are endless. For some, $1 million is a pipe dream. They see it as an unattainable goal, something only for the lucky or the privileged. But what if I told you that it's within your reach? What if you could turn those dreams into reality with the right mindset and strategy? For others, it's a stepping stone, a milestone on the way to even greater achievements. It's about setting goals and reaching them one step at a time. It's about celebrating the small victories and using them as motivation to keep pushing forward. But here's the truth. Becoming a millionaire by 30 is achievable. It might seem daunting, but with determination, hard work, and a clear plan, you can make it happen. It's about staying focused on your goals and not letting setbacks deter you. It takes hustle, smarts, and a whole lot of heart, but it's possible. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals, educate yourself on financial matters, and stay physically and mentally fit. These are the keys to success. And trust me, the journey is just as rewarding as the destination. Think about it. Every step you take towards your goal is a learning experience. Every challenge you overcome makes you stronger and more resilient. The journey shapes you into the person you need to be to handle the success that awaits. $1 million by 30 isn't about showing off. It's about options. It's about having the freedom to choose your path, to open doors that were previously closed, and to hold the key to your future. It's about creating a life that aligns with your values and aspirations. It's about control over your time, your energy, your future. Imagine being able to spend your days doing what you love, with the people you care about, without the constant worry of financial stress. It's about living life on your own terms. It's about building something real, something lasting. Whether it's a business, a legacy, or a better world, your $1 million can be the foundation for something greater. It's about making a difference and leaving a positive impact. So let's break it down, step by step, and turn that dream into a reality. Together we'll explore the strategies, the mindset, and the actions needed to achieve this goal. Let's embark on this journey and make those million dreams come true. Why do so many people struggle to achieve financial freedom? Simple. They're stuck making excuses. I don't have enough time. I didn't come from a wealthy family. Investing is too risky. Sound familiar? Here's the deal. Excuses are just fear in disguise. And the only way to conquer fear is to run straight through it. Stop waiting for the perfect time or the perfect opportunity. Start small, start today, and start building momentum. The truth is, most self-made millionaires didn't inherit their wealth. They hustled their way to the top. They worked their asses off, learned from their mistakes, and never gave up on their vision. And guess what? You can too. Listen up, entrepreneurs and dreamers. Today we're diving into one of the most valuable resources you have at your disposal. It's not money, it's not connections, it's something far more powerful and often overlooked. The single biggest advantage you have right now is time. Time is a non-renewable resource, and how you use it can make all the difference in your journey to success. Time to learn, time to experiment, and time to let your investments compound. Whether you're studying a new skill, testing out a business idea, or making your first investment, time is on your side. Compound interest is like magic, but it only works if you start early and stay consistent. The earlier you begin, the more powerful the effect. It's the principle that allows your money to grow exponentially over time. Think of it like this. Every dollar you save and invest today is like planting a seed. These seeds need time to grow, and the more you plant, the more abundant your future harvest will be. Over time, those seeds grow into trees, and those trees start bearing fruit. This fruit represents the returns on your investments, the benefits of your hard work, and the rewards of your patience. The earlier you plant, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Just like a garden, your financial future needs nurturing and time to flourish. Don't underestimate the power of starting small. Every little bit counts, and those small contributions can grow into something substantial over time. Even if you can only invest a few dollars a day, it will add up over time. Consistency is key. And those small, regular investments can lead to significant growth. The key is to develop good financial habits and stick with them. Budgeting, saving, and investing regularly are the building blocks of a secure financial future. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. This old adage reminds us of the importance of starting early. The second best time is now. So take action today, invest in your future, and make the most of the time you have. Your future self will thank you. Building your empire. This is where your journey truly begins, where dreams transform into reality, and where your vision starts to take shape. Here's the exciting part. There's no one-size-fits-all roadmap to becoming a millionaire. Each path is unique, filled with its own set of challenges and rewards. You get to choose your own adventure. Whether you take the road less traveled or follow a well-trodden path, the choice is yours. Maybe you're a natural entrepreneur, with a killer idea just waiting to be unleashed. Your creativity and innovation could be the spark that ignites a new industry. Or perhaps you're passionate about real estate, the stock market, or financial analysis. These fields offer endless opportunities for those who are willing to dive deep and master their craft. Maybe your calling is in building a thriving online business. The digital world is vast and full of potential, from e-commerce to digital marketing. Take a look at some of the biggest names out there. Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, Mark Zuckerberg. They all started with a vision and turned it into reality through relentless effort and passion. They all achieved massive success by following their passions and building something truly extraordinary. Their journeys were filled with ups and downs, but their determination never wavered. Whether you're selling handmade goods on Etsy, creating unique products that resonate with people, building a loyal following on social media, sharing your story, and connecting with your audience, or investing in dividend stocks, making your money work for you and securing your financial future, the key is to find what you're good at and what you love. When you align your skills with your passions, work becomes more than just a job. It becomes a fulfilling journey. Passion is contagious, and it will fuel your hustle when times get tough. Remember, every great empire starts with a single step. So take that step today and start building your empire. The mindset of a millionaire. Becoming a millionaire isn't just about financial strategies. It's about adopting a millionaire mindset. It's about believing in your own potential and having an unshakable belief that you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Successful people think differently. They see opportunities where others see obstacles. They embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. They surround themselves with positive, supportive people who believe in their vision. Cultivating a growth mindset is crucial. Embrace learning, be open to new ideas, and never stop seeking knowledge. The more you learn, the more you earn. Remember, your potential is limitless. The price of success. Let's be real, achieving any worthwhile goal requires sacrifice. Becoming a millionaire by 30 is no different. It means making tough choices, prioritizing your goals, and saying no to distractions. You might have to work late nights and weekends. You might have to give up some of your favorite things. You might have to make sacrifices that others aren't willing to make. But trust me, the rewards are worth it. Discipline is key. It's about staying focused on your goals, even when you don't feel like it. It's about delaying gratification and making smart choices that will benefit your future self. Now go crush it. Here's the bottom line. Becoming a millionaire by 30 is a challenging but achievable goal. It's about having a clear vision, unwavering determination, and the willingness to put in the hard work. It's about making smart financial decisions, investing in yourself, and never giving up on your dreams. The journey won't be easy, but it will be worth it. So get out there, hustle hard, and make your dreams a reality. The world is waiting for your greatness.